Today, once again, we're coming to you from Man's Restoration here in Festus, Missouri. And right now I'm standing back here in the mechanics shop, and they've always got some pretty cool projects going on back here. Right here is actually a 69 Chevrolet Camaro SSRS. This particular one is a big block car, but it's actually been swapped for a 502 big block. So that thing will get down the road pretty well, I'd imagine. And over here on the lift, there's actually a 55 Chevy, and this one has a 454 LSX V8. It's actually going to be topped with AFR heads and Hillborn injection. That one they're expecting to make over 700 horsepower, naturally aspirated. So again, that thing's going to be pretty quick. And then back in the corner there, we have another Camaro SS. That one actually has a fuel-injected LT1 V8. And then up in the front, there's actually a Dodge Custom Royal Lancer convertible. And you can see the body and paint and everything's already done on this one. It's just waiting for its Hemi V8 that's going to be going in there. And they actually have that over in the next room. So that's a pretty interesting build as well. But I thought today we'd kind of focus on this 1971 Olds 442. And this one's not completed yet, but it's getting very close. So I thought we'd go ahead and check it out today, and then we can come back and look at it another day when they get it all finished up. But you can see in 71, they had the quad headlamps up front here with a nice chrome bumper. And you have the dual grille openings with your 442 badging right here. And obviously this one has the stripe going down the center of the hood. Pretty cool. And I really like the color on this one. Looking very nice. And it is riding on the Oldsmobile Rally wheels with BF Goodrich white letter tires. Of course, have your 442 badging on the fenders as well. And you can see just how slick that paint is. Nice new windshield in there. All the trim looks like new as well. Nice chrome mirror here on the driver's side. It does have a black vinyl top and all black vinyl interior as well. You can see the rear seat there. It does have bucket seats for the front, but they're actually up in the upholstery shop at the moment. You can see it has new carpet in there. It is an automatic on the console. It still has the factory steering wheel and all original gauges. Nice 120 mile per hour speedometer there right in the center. It is a factory AC car as well. But basically being put right back to factory original condition for the most part. Just a bit nicer than stock, obviously. But I really like the fastback design of these, how they got this rear window laid over really flat. Just a nice streamlined look to the rear of it. Big chrome bumper out back here as well. And of course it will have dual exhaust when it's all completed. And this one's actually powered by the 455 V8. Let me go ahead and pop open the hood here and we'll take a look at it. Alright, I've got the hood tipped up here. And like I said, it's not all completed under here, but they do have it pretty far along. You can see they've got it all painted up really nicely. And they've upgraded the AC on here. It does still have the factory style exhaust manifolds. And it looks like they put a Holley 4-barrel carb on there in place of the Quadrajet. But when it's all wrapped up under here, it'll have a nice factory appearance. They just have this on here for mock-up at the moment, but that'll be getting a new one. But yeah, it's coming together. But anyway guys, we just thought you'd like a quick look at that one. We'll come back and give you an update on it when it's all completely together, and of course we'll probably do a test drive video with it as well. But as always, we do appreciate you watching and commenting and everything, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.